Write a business plan in a weekend with ChatGPT. What if you could write a solid business plan in a weekend, without hiring a consultant, without staring at a blank page for weeks, and without spending money on software you'll never use? Small business owners are doing this with ChatGPT, but most people use it wrong and get something so generic it could have been written about anyone's business. Let's fix that. The biggest mistake. People open ChatGPT and ask it to write a business plan. What comes back sounds professional but means almost nothing, like a suit off the rack that technically fits but wasn't made for you. To get something useful, you have to give the tool real information to work with. Step 1. Brain dump. Spend 10 minutes writing down everything you know about your business. What you're selling, who buys it, what you charge, who your competitors are, and why this can work. Don't organize it. Just be honest. Paste this into ChatGPT and ask, what key information am I missing before starting a business plan? ChatGPT will reveal the gaps. Maybe you haven't thought through customer acquisition or your startup costs are fuzzy. Finding these gaps now prevents building on a shaky foundation. Step 2. Write the executive summary first. Most people write this last. Write it first. Ask ChatGPT for one paragraph under 150 words covering what the business does, who the customer is, what problem it solves, and how it makes money. Read it carefully. If anything is off, fix it. Everything else builds on this foundation. Here's the honest limitation. ChatGPT tends to write executive summaries that sound like marketing copy. Push back. Ask for more specific, less sleazy language. You might need to do this multiple times. Step 3. Work through each section. Don't ask ChatGPT to write everything at once. Instead, tackle each section separately. Company description, market analysis, products and services, marketing strategy, operations, team, and financial projections. For each one, give real context and ask the tool to flag any assumptions you should verify yourself. Step 4. Handle financial projections carefully. ChatGPT is useful here. It's a good calculator and formatter, but it's not a source of real financial data. You must bring the actual numbers, startup costs, price per service, realistic weekly customer capacity, and fixed monthly expenses. Give ChatGPT these numbers and ask it to build a simple 12-month projection showing monthly revenue, expenses, and break-even point. It can also show scenarios if sales come in 20% lower. Critical limitation. ChatGPT cannot look up current interest rates, local market data, or what things actually cost in your city. It doesn't know commercial lease rates in your zip code or what dog grooming costs in Austin versus Atlanta. Every real number must come from you, your suppliers, or verified sources like the SBA. Never let the AI invent your revenue estimates. That's how plans fall apart when someone asks basic questions. Step 5. Check for consistency. Put all sections together and ask ChatGPT to review the whole document for consistency. Do financial projections match the market size you described? Does your marketing strategy align with your target customer? This catches logical mismatches easy to miss when building piece by piece. The bottom line. Writing a business plan used to mean hiring someone or suffering alone. That's still an option, but it's not the only one. If you put in the work up front, give ChatGPT real information, and treat it like a drafting partner rather than a magic answer machine, you'll walk away with a plan that actually reflects your business. Not a template, not generic, yours.